Toyota Tacoma introduces the all-new Trailhunter grade to the lineup of rugged Toyota trucks. Toyota has long been a top choice for overlanders due to its legendary quality, durability, and reliability, and now enthusiasts can get a factory-developed overlander straight from Toyota. To help bring Trailhunter to life, Toyota worked with renowned Australian-based ARB to co-develop Old Man Emu, OME, position-sensitive 2.5-inch forged monotube shocks with rear external piggyback-style remote reservoirs, a steel rear bumper, robust rear recovery points, and a bed utility bar with removable MOLLE panels. ARB Engineering even worked on-site at Toyota alongside the project development team to co-develop Trailhunter. With either 5 or 6-foot bed double cab configurations available, serious overlanders can take their Trailhunters to the next level with available light or heavy-duty versions of a full ARB bed rack to support additional gear like rooftop tents, canopies, or a camp shower. The OME shocks along with the 33-inch Goodyear Territory R/T tires boost up Trailhunter an additional 2 inches in the front and 1.5 inches in the rear. A high-clearance trail exhaust tip is also standard along with a low-profile high-mount Trailhunter air intake that is routed up the passenger side A-pillar to source cleaner air to the iForce Max. Trailhunter protection includes rock rails and a multitude of hot-stamped high-strength steel skid plates for serious off-the-grid adventure capabilities straight from the factory. Trailhunter is also equipped with a bronze-colored, Toyota, heritage-inspired grille with an integrated 20-inch LED light bar that's complemented by white/yellow color switching rigid LED fog lamps. Lighting in the Trailhunter's bed is triangulated to help avoid dark spots, and integrated bedside scene lights help illuminate the area surrounding the bed for setting up camp at night. A powerful 2400W AC inverter provides juice to 2 locations in the cabin and the rear deck where both 12V and USBs can also be found to power other devices such as an ARB fridge freezer. Trailhunter also comes pre-wired for accessories with 3 auxiliary toggle switches on the dashboard. In addition to Toyota genuine parts and accessories, additional accessories are available through the recently announced Associated Accessory Products Program, AAP, for customers to customize their Tacoma Trailhunter exactly the way they want straight from Toyota's participating dealerships. The AAP ecosystem will continue to evolve over time and currently includes over 100 accessories such as off-road recovery gear, rack attachment brackets for storage gear, outdoor sporting equipment carriers, and more. These products can also be conveniently rolled into customers' monthly payments, and they aren't exclusive to Trailhunter either, making accessorizing Tacoma through Toyota easier than ever. Toyota Tacoma will offer 2 powerful and efficient powertrains using a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. For entry-level SR grades, this engine produces 228 horsepower and 243 pound-ft of torque. For all other grades, output increases to 278 horsepower and 317 pound-ft of torque when paired with the new 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence, ECTI. Enthusiasts rejoice, a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission, IMT2, with automatic rev matching and anti-stall technology is available. Manual transmission models produce 270 horsepower and 310 pound-ft of torque. New to the mid-size, body-on-frame pickup segment is Tacoma's iForce Max hybrid powertrain, the most powerful powertrain ever offered on Tacoma. Available on TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, Limited, and Standard on the TRD Pro and Trailhunter Halo models. iForce Max pairs the 2.4-liter engine with a 48-horsepower electric motor integrated into the 8-speed transmission feeding off a 1.87 kWh NMH battery pack that creates a total system output of 326 horsepower and a whopping 465 pound-ft of torque, nearly doubling the torque output of the current-gen truck with the V6 engine. When equipped with iForce Max, Tacoma can ascend an 8% interstate grade without the need to downshift, making long road trips more pleasant than ever in a Tacoma. Fuel economy estimates for all powertrains will be announced closer to their on-sale dates. The all-new 2024 Toyota Tacoma will go on sale in late 2023 with iForce Max models arriving in early 2024. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest car releases, prices, and specifications. I'll see you next time.